They never admit to bugs. Let's gently reduce the yellow spots. Looks a bit lighter now. Some early batches freeze when you load from the title screen. This is a known glitch. Maybe some SRAM had compatibility issues with the console. The publisher denied the bug completely and offered no replacements. Let's open it up. The soldering method is completely different. This soldering looks neat. This one is lumpy solder. A lot of flux is flowing out, yikes. Sony battery has a bit of leakage. This one's Panasonic SRAM. This one is Panasonic. This one's Sony. They're swapped. Isopropyl alcohol. Let's fill the through holes. Solder sucker. Lumpy solder. Some leakage. Sony. With lumpy solder we get a big harvest. Bountiful crop. New battery. Old battery. Leaking Sony. Panasonic. Contact cleaner spray. Lift the grime. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Zombie body fluid. Secret ingredient Gen Z tears. Now harden under UV light.
Catch coach.
Magic potion. Protects the connectors. Prevents screw heads from rusting. So dirty, what is this?
Mercury.
1991. Slows yellowing over time. Let's preserve it for the future.
Perfect body.